Hi everybody, it's Melissa Lemberg and I'm here today with Tata Harper, creator and founder of Tata Harper Skincare. And we are so lucky to have her in our store today. And I know many of you wish that you could be here but cannot. So we thought it would be fun to do a video interview with her and maybe ask her some of those burning questions that you guys have for her. So welcome, Tata.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to be here in Phoenix. This is my first time. So I'm loving it so far. I mean, the weather, it's perfect.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, and this weather is so great for your products. We have so many clients that just love and just can't get enough of them. So I have a couple questions for you. So, you know, the green beauty industry is just a fraction of the larger beauty industry. But your product just seems to be everywhere. And you seem to be favorited by a lot of major celebrities. So how does that feel to open up, say, an Allure or a Vogue and see your product in there?
I love it. I think that that's kind of like it's one of the things that makes me really happy. You know, especially I just opened In Style magazine this month. And we saw a huge quote by Gwyneth Paltrow saying that our products are her favorite. So that's really amazing. And I love it because, you know, what we promote with the line, it's all about like being healthy. You know, we don't really need another serum in this world, you know, like, but we need products that makes our lives better. So that's what we're all about. It's giving you results, but also contributing to your health, to your well-being, so that we can all be beautiful, but also stay healthy, which is an important part of the puzzle.
Definitely. I mean, your products, they really kind of bridge that gap between green beauty and then more like of medical grade, almost skincare. And so it's just so important, I think, that you have so many actives that are really good. Can you tell us, you know, what you do in terms of like the clinicals and the actives to ensure that you see the results?
Well, absolutely. Well, I mean, our formulation process is very intricate, you know, like typically the beauty industry, if you want to launch a product, you can have a product out in 6 months, you know, like the beauty industry for one reason or the other, it's used to outsourcing everything. And we have decided to do the opposite. Like we are very, very hands-on. So when we start formulation of a product, to answer your question, like it goes through many phases. So the first phase is number one, that we like the clinicals on the different raw materials. And because we bring ingredients from every corner of the globe, it's really key that we analyze which are the most effective for whatever product we are formulating. And then from that point on, then it gets validated by EcoCert, which is like our seal to ensure that everything is natural, everything, you know, along the process and so on. And then we start formulation, but for us, the results are everything. Because at the end of the day, we buy skincare for results so that we can see our skin become more beautiful, so that we see the wrinkles disappear, so that we can really see a great road to aging, right? Taking care of ourselves. So for us, we start always with the results. That's the first thing that we analyze, and then we kind of like, you know, everything else is extra.
Yeah, and that's exactly what our clients love. They love that they're really seeing the results in their skin.
And the other thing that I do have to mention is that typically a lot of lines, they concentrate around like 1 or 2 active ingredients,
Sure.
let's say 3. But our line, it's really concentrated. So when you buy it, you're buying like a lot of active ingredients. Like our serums have 29, 38 actives, which is really unusual. And so it's kind of like the ultimate value proposition. It's kind of like you're staying healthy and you're also staying youthful, which is amazing.
Yeah, and I mean, like for me too, it's just so great to see another female entrepreneur. But being a female entrepreneur, I know that there's always a lot of challenges along the way. What's maybe a challenge that you really face with your company on a daily basis?
I don't know if in a daily basis, but one of the things, I mean, being an entrepreneur is something that it's not easy to describe. It's like it really like, it like you really learn how to control stress and your nerves and everything and remain really positive, because I feel that that's one of the things that when you're starting a business, it's key, you know, because
Absolutely.
it's not, you know, it's not easy. But I think that one of the challenging things for us, especially because we are kind of like a breakthrough line in the whole beauty industry, is kind of like telling people that yes, you can get results from natural products when they're the right quality, when they're formulated right. And I think that because a lot of people, their first experience with natural products has been like in supermarkets and little apothecaries, that the main focus of the products is the fact that they're natural, not the fact that they give results.
Sure.
It's one of the things that it's been really challenging, changing people's mindset. Like, no, actually being 100% natural, it is the ultimate luxury.
Yeah, no, it is. And that actually really answered my next question, which was, how do you get that person who has that challenge of saying, I've tried natural skincare and it just hasn't worked for me. And then your product is just totally different. So we've really, when we have clients in our store that have used, say, something that's been over the counter from a Neiman's or Saks or something like that, and then they come in and they use your product, they see those results and they're just so amazed that it's 100% natural. So that's amazing.
I know. It's a big plus. I always say that our products are like one of the best formulated lines in the world, and that the plus is that everything is pure. Like, you're not putting any synthetic industrial chemical in your body, like we use skincare every single day, twice a day, if you really take care of your skin. And it's really sad and unfortunate that there's so limited options for somebody that wants to stay healthy, and we're just part of that movement, that it's something that is starting right now, where people are really looking at ways to live better and rethink many of the things that they do daily, like how do I eat, and incorporating organic into their diet, and exercising and controlling stress and juicing and using really good things on their skin. So I think that it's basically the future.
Yeah, I definitely do too. And I mean, for me, I've seen so many results from your line, even on my own skin. And I just want to shout it from the rooftops that, natural products actually do work. They're the best thing that you can use on your skin. So I love so many products in the line, but if you had to pick one product in the line that everybody out there should own, what would it be?
Well, I'm going to divide that by age group. I think that if you are under 40, let's say, something that it's good for everybody, it's our resurfacing mask.
Okay.
Like, that mask gives you instant glow, dissolves all the buildup in the top layer of your skin, and it's kind of like the perfect pre-party mask. It retexturizes, minimizes pores. Like, everybody needs that, you know what I mean? So it's really amazing. And I think that if you're over 40, I would have to say that the Elixir Vitae is definitely the product. I mean, that is my most potent serum, and it's an alternative to injections. It really represents the latest in skincare technology right now, which is, neuropeptides that are ingredients that give you the Botox effect. And then on the other hand, it also has a lot of liposomes that are this targeted ingredients that work in your fat layer, actually, because as we age, we start losing a lot of our fat pad in the face.
Yeah.
So it's an ingredient that actually goes in and works in your fat cells to make them fatter and regain that cushion and that volume back to the skin. So it's similar to fillers, obviously not so dramatic, but as you use them, it makes your skin evenly cushioned and evenly, plumped, which is amazing.
Absolutely. We've had a lot of clients who come in and maybe were doing fillers in the past, and they've been able to try that product, and most of them, I would say 90% of them, have quit doing fillers. So I think it's a phenomenal product.
Yeah, and a lot of my customers, what I've seen is that they've told me that they have to get their injections less often. So it's kind of like daily reinforcement of those results.
Yeah, and so that brings us to our next question, and my final question. So your product for a lot of clients of mine, and I think clients that you have all over, is that this product not only changes the way their skin feels, but it also changes their lives. What would you like to say to those individuals?
I say that they've made the right decision. No, seriously. I mean, our products are, like what I was saying earlier, they definitely change people's lives because, they're reinforcing every single day so that you are beautiful and you're healthy. Because I feel that a lot of times, people think that taking care of yourself and just being kind of like a beauty connoisseur and just putting creams on, it's all, that's it. But the reality is that you need to eat well, you need to exercise, you need to handle stress, and also avoiding synthetic industrial chemicals is a big part of the process. So anything that you can do to make your life more healthy will increase your energy, will increase the vitality, will make you look better, feel more attractive. I mean, it's like the benefits are endless of, of having a healthy lifestyle.
Absolutely. And I think so many clients appreciate that. I definitely appreciate your time today and
Thank
taking
you.
time to talk to all of us and talk to the people that couldn't be here today.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Tata.
You're welcome. It's so excited to be here. Thank you for this interview. It's very good questions.
Okay.